As you can see, me and my cousin walk down on the coloring side. I'm want to say, yo, me can't with me and things. So, show no all school I'm go in the supermarket, down on the beach side, and everywhere. So, so stay tuned and go and watch the video. Right. So, yeah, people right now. Some people can go over my friend, my cousin Ryan Comedy, and go subscribe and like up the video. Please, try subscribe to 1 million channel too. You see it? But right now, peeps, so hot. YouTube. Right now, people, so hot. Yes, so today, right at the black factory. Over the back factory the walk away. See when they wipe me now, the roller fry like believe me. So them they look like my cousin so. Yeah, people see my cousin. Bala Ali, see that them go. Yeah, them come from the beach and see them like how three of them. One girl Bala, Ali, and I don't remember what next one is. So, but I couldn't see them now. I'm come on for look at them. Come on for the beach side. Beach side, you know. Where they go? The dog. So as I said, people I start post very often. Yeah, people. So some cousin them here. So Ali. I mean, I don't live video. Bumbo bala walk off. Bala God. So I go show up at the school now. We go to school. Well, I go make a walk go up there. I go make a walk go up there and make you see up there. So I go still. I make a walk go up there. Showing up by school. So see there. It's a Ministry of Education, ORCABESSA High School. Be satisfied only with the best. Go for the gate. That go school up. What school up, but I not go over there. If I go over there, they might turn back and I don't have a mask. Look like Mr. McDonald over there. No, that fault. Right up for the gate there. Okay. So yeah, people, it's a big school. They walk over here still, you know. Supposed to be around here, so, and with the money. I don't know if we can go around here and show them. Alright, so yeah, people pass the teacher now. I go by board and I show them. Say, man a bright boy. Show them say, man definitely what Hall of Fame. Yes, I don't know if I can see good, but see me there. Alright, so people are going to listen now. Come just a show over there. So moving out. So when we reach I get I go start with the video. Right. So people camera go back to this. So when I come up off to this about now we go through the scheme. And one dog there saw rail up. He know himself. 3 dogs. Z people. Here big house there. Dear nice house there. so I got this scheme, can't see beach. People over the side, people using clothes. Then I beach people. People. So I go down to the scheme. I go to the scheme on the people. I just have pure big house around here. I go find the house that have pure sea view, you see now. Pure sea view. Pure sea view. And it's enough sea view. You see all watch it. Yes. See a taxi there with the park up and the phone to get a sniper out near and lift you out, kill you. Why you that say about that, brother? Like, alright, so we have the photo of the scheme now. The photo of the scheme, what we don't put the color inside. So if you remember, down here all the viewers them from Canada. This actually scheme. As I say people. So it's actually scheme. So walking now. Going at the coloring tour. Put on my bag and say, yo, Mega, so come on. I guess I'm gonna forget. The most important thing to did in our original people. Boteca. Yes, ketchup. Look what's on. I just know. Take up what is more. So can I get 2 pound chicken?
Jana. 2 pound chicken.
So you people never go to the beach, but I'm not go down there, so just I'm not showing. So the church wanted this what? ORCABESSA 7-day Adventist temple. Yeah, people. This is a basic school and a church in one. The basic school around at the back. On the road, like to the scheme where I come from. Where I come from to the scheme. So I walk on the road now. See if we reach over here now. I'll take time to go up. This are the coloring road. Hey people. Hi. We are growing on the car now. Like I saw me up there, so we live through the bush. You know. Like if you never come to Jamaica, you can get to see like the coloring road. You can follow ORCABESSA, tour you through coloring, tour you through ORCABESSA. Anyway, what there so they make bed, dresser, everything they make over there. So. But we can't go over there now. Almost reach up people. So right now I'm gonna end the video. So just don't forget to subscribe.